Yes, listen, beta. Yesterday we were revising symmetry chapter. We have discussed rotational symmetry. So let's start with exercise 14.3. First question. Name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Name the two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Yes, Jasleen, Arush. I want everyone to participate in the class. I want all of you to give answer. Kindly raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
square, rectangle,
Yes,
triangle.
Drishti. Jasleen,
Ma'am,
Arshia.
equilateral
Those
triangle,
who know the
square.
answer, they can raise their hand. Is
Ma'am,
there any problem? Drishti, Arshia.
ma'am,
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Arshia.
Ma'am, square, rectangle, equilateral triangle.
yes, ma'am, am I audible?
Drishti.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Sanya.
Ma'am, I think there is some
Yes, the
network issue
figures
from
which
your
are
side.
having both line symmetry and rotational symmetry are equilateral triangle, circle, rectangle, circle, equilateral triangle, square. So these are the figures which have both type of symmetry. Draw wherever possible a rough sketch of the triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one. Actually, they are asking you about the type of triangle. So you can't take equilateral, you can't take isosceles triangle here because isosceles triangle is having only one line of symmetry, but they are asking about the order more than one. Order more than one. So you can't take isosceles triangle here. For this, the answer is equilateral triangle. Network problem is there. Wait, wait, wait. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Yes, Rishti?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
मैम जब आप आंसर पूछ रहे थे तब आपकी साइड से नेटवर्क इशू था.
अब ठीक है?
यस मैम, अब ठीक है.
Okay. So for the type of triangle which is having line symmetry and rotational symmetry, you will write equilateral triangle as answer and you will draw equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangle is having three lines of symmetry, and you can draw its order of rotational symmetry also. Order of rotational symmetry is 3 and angle of rotation is 120. 360 by 3, that is 120. Next part is a triangle with only line symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. You have to tell the type of the triangle which is having a line of symmetry, which have only line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Order 1 तो सबका ही होता है. Each figure is having order 1, but you have to tell the figure whose order is of rotational symmetry is more than 1.
Ma'am, your video is stopped.
बेटा लेट मी ऑन माय हॉटस्पॉट, तो ये इस पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है आई थिंक नेटवर्क की। 1 मिनट वेट करो जरा। So for this isosceles triangle you will write as answer, because isosceles triangle is having one line of symmetry and order of rotational symmetry is not more than 1. It has order 1. Angle of rotation is 360. So isosceles triangle, actually they are talking about triangle which is having order of rotational symmetry more than 1. ठीक है, not more than 1. तो isosceles triangle is the answer. Third part, a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line of symmetry. A quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line of symmetry. So what you will write here? Which type of quadrilateral you will take here? Yes, anyone? Which type of quadrilateral? Yes, Jalash.
I'm not possible.
Yes, it's not possible. क्योंकि जो अगर आप यहाँ पे वो पैरेललोग्राम लेते हो टाइप ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेटर में, तो पैरेललोग्राम का जो है वो ऑर्डर 1 है, नॉट मोर देन 1 नहीं है। ठीक है, मोर देन 1 चाहिए आपको, लेकिन उसका ऑर्डर 1 होता है और लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती, तो देयर इज नो सच कोऑर्डिनेटर पॉसिबल। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ कोऑर्डिनेटर विद अ लाइन सिमेट्री बट नो रोटेशनल सिमेट्री ऑफ ऑर्डर मोर देन 1. So answer is rhombus, because rhombus is having 2 line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Order 1 है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. So answer is rhombus. Question number 3. If a figure has 2 or more line of symmetry, should it have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Should it have a order of rotational symmetry of more than 1? A figure has 2 or more line of symmetry. ठीक है, कोई भी फिगर है, जैसे सपोज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, इट इज हैविंग 3 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, तो आपसे पूछा क्या उसके पास रोटेशनल सिमेट्री का ऑर्डर भी मोर देन 1 होगा?
मैम यस.
यस, आंसर इज yes.
Yes.
Give example here.
Ma'am, equilateral triangle.
Okay. Now in the fourth question, table is given. We have discussed this question earlier also. Square में center of rotation क्या होता है? Square का center
Point of intersection
of diameters. और order क्या होता है?
4.
Angle
90 degree.
90 degree. Yes. What about rectangle? What about rectangle? Jasleen, Nandini, Khushi. Yes, boys, what happened? Why you are not responding? Yes, Nandini. Very good. Mute कर लिया आपने.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
question number 2. Ma'am, question number 2 में लेकिन rhombus भी तो है. It has 2 lines of symmetry. Question number 3 में.
Part third में.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 3. उसमें rhombus भी तो है. It has 2 lines of symmetry, but it does not have rotational symmetry of
इसमें
order.
इतना ही बताना है कि अगर किसी फिगर में लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है तो क्या उसके पास कंपल्सरी होता है कि ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री 1 से ज्यादा होगा? ये पूछ रहा है. फिगर का नाम बताओ या नहीं बताओ, बस आपने इतना ही डिस्कस करना है, कंपल्सरी है या नहीं, पॉसिबल है कि नहीं.
मैम तो फिर yes लिखेंगे.
हाँ हाँ जी, एग्जाम्पल आप कोई भी दे सकते हैं इफ आस्क्ड, अदरवाइज नो नीड. अर्शिया, नेक्स्ट
Yes.
क्वेश्चन, रेक्टेंगल के का बताओ, सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या होगा?
Part of intersection of opposite sides.
Yes, point of intersection of the mid point of intersection of the opposite side. Line segment joining the point of intersection of the opposite side. जहां opposite side meet करती हैं, their point of intersection is called center of rotation. What about order? Order and angle. Order to
Order
angle,
to 180.
angle 180. Yes, Khushi, next. Don't mute yourself, Arshia.
Yes.
Yes, Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji.
Center of rotation of rhombus is point of intersection of diagonals.
Very good.
Order of rotation is 4.
Order of rotation 4 आएगा. ड्रॉ करके देखो 4 आएगा. क्या आएगा दृष्टि? ऑर्डर
मैम 2.
ऑर्डर 2 आएगा. Means out of 4 rotation, it will be exactly 2 times same as the main figure. So order is 2 and angle is
180 degree.
180 degree. Yes. Next, who will answer? Nandini, Mitul, Saksham, Rudra, Rivya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, center of rotation is point of intersection of median, order of rotation 3, and angle of rotation 120.
Yes, exactly. Good. Yes, Himalaya.
Yes, ma'am. Regular hexagon center of rotation is equal to point of intersection of diagonals. Order of rotation is equal to 6. Angle of rotation is equal to 60 degree.
एक बार इसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन चेक करो. हमने क्या लिखा हुआ है हेक्सागन का? क्या लिखा हुआ है अर्शिया, दृष्टि? क्या लिखा
मैम,
हुआ है?
Point of intersection of diagonals.
ओके. ऑर्डर
Order,
Ma'am, order
order is equal to
6. Angle,
60 degree.
yes, angle is 60 degree. Yes, who else will tell me all these things about Ridhima, Prabnoor, Mitul, Manraj, Sanya, Sanchit? What about circle? Circle. Yes, Mitul. Very. Mitul बोलो बच्चे.
Ma'am, infinite.
सर्कल का सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या होता है? Yes, yes, Sanya. Mitul, don't mute yourself.
Center of the circle.
Yes, it is a point of intersection of diameters. It is a point of intersection of diameters. Order of rotation is
Ma'am, infinite.
infinite, and angle is
Angle is at every angle.
yes, yes, exactly, at every angle. Yes, Mitul. Mitul, what about semicircle? Yes, Guneet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, center of rotation is midpoint of diameter and order of rotation is 1 and angle of rotation is 360 degree.
Yes, very good. Mitul, answer the next question. Why you people mute yourself? I don't know. Yes, Khushi. Next question. Name the quadrilaterals Name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than one.
Ma'am, square.
Yes, quadrilaterals. Tell more names. Yes, बच्चे. Yes. Those who are on mute, they can give answer.
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle, square. Rhombus can be the answer. Can rhombus be the answer?
नो मैम.
Why?
मैम क्योंकि उसके पास रोटेशनल सिमेट्री नहीं है.
Yes, rotational symmetry है, but order one है, not more than one. So rhombus cannot be the answer. Answer is square and rectangle. Yes, Guneet, Garvit, Lakshay, Anmol, Ridhima.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम लेकिन हमने टेबल में रोम्बस की ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशन 2 लिखा है.
तू लिखे वन आएगा, वन आएगा. फिगर ड्रॉ करके देखो, वन आएगा.
Okay.
ऐसे पैरेललोग्राम का वन आता है ना, ऐसे इसका भी वन आएगा, क्योंकि सेम ही है. देखो फिगर, वन आएगा, टू नहीं आएगा. वन आएगा. ठीक. यस, रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बच्चे मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इतने स्टूडेंट्स का नेम लेने के बाद भी रेज क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? लक्ष्य, हिमालय, तरुण, तान्या, सात्विक, सर्वव्यापक. बोलो बेटे, आप ही बोलो. तान्या,
मैं बोल दूं?
वेट वेट, तान्या आप बोलो. तान्या बोलो. दृष्टि आप बोलो.
After rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what other angles will this happen for the figure?
Yes. Answer.
60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree, 360 degree.
We will write a table of 60. Yesterday we discussed a similar question for 90 degree also. So in this 60 degree angle is there. You will write the table of 60, means after after each rotation 60 will be added. So angle will be 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360. Next is question number 7. Yes, Arshia, read it.
Yes, ma'am. Can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than one whose angle of rotation is 145 degree? Yes, 360 by 45 is equal to 8, and octagon can do that.
Means you have to actually, to find the order of rotational symmetry, you will divide 360 by the, अगर ऑर्डर निकालना है तो एंगल से डिवाइड करना है, एंगल फाइंड करना है तो ऑर्डर से डिवाइड करना है. नाउ हियर द एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन इज गिवन, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर, और यू कैन से ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री यू नीड टू फाइंड. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you will divide 360 with 45. If it is completely divisible, then you can say that order of rotational symmetry is 8, or yes, it is possible. And if 360 is not divisible by the angle 70, like it is not divisible, not exactly divisible, so you can say that it's not possible to have order of rotational symmetry because the angle is 17. So it's not possible.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, every regular figure has a rotational symmetry.
Yes. रेगुलर में
Okay,
होगी,
ma'am.
क्योंकि सारी साइड्स और सारे एंगल इक्वल है, तो जितना मर्जी रोटेट करते जाओ, एवरी टाइम यू विल गेट द सेम फिगर.
Ma'am, और
यस,
इसी एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर डू दिस दिया है, वो करवा दो.
करवा देते हैं। आप ये व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड रीड करो सारे, व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड जल्दी से रीड कर लो सारा कुछ। कुछ नहीं आता तो हम वो कर लेते हैं और ये टेबल कर लेते हैं। चलो ठीक है, जल्दी करो। व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड जरा एक बार करो। मैंने आपको ये टेबल सेंड किया था, आपने देखा था? दृष्टि देखा था बेटा? अर्शिया?
मैम मिला नहीं।
मैंने सेंड किया था जब अपने से दृष्टि ने क्लास में बोला था ना, मैसेज भी किया था, तो मैंने सेंड किया था। चलो मैं दोबारा सेंड कर देती हूँ। आप व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड स्टार्ट करो। अर्शिया रीड करो जरा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड में रीड करो आप। आराम
A figure has lines.
स्लोली स्लोली।
A figure has line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide.
कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
एक शेप में लाइन सिमेट्री होगी, अगर उसमें हम एक उसके थ्रू एक लाइन निकाल लें और अगर उसके आसपास वाली फिगर को फोल्ड कर दे तो वो ओवरलैप करेंगी एक दूसरे को।
A figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that two parts of the figure will coincide. Means there is a line that divides a figure into two parts and both the parts will overlap each other, will coincide each other, and they are exactly same. So that line is called line of symmetry. Next.
Regular polygons have equal sides and equal angles. They have multiple lines of symmetry.
हाँ जी, रेगुलर पॉलीगन्स जो होते हैं दे आर हैविंग इक्वल साइड एंड इक्वल एंगल, सो दे हैव मल्टीपल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, मोर देन वन। मल्टीपल मींस दे आर हैविंग मोर देन वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. Its examples are equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon. So all the regular figures can be the answer. Yes, next.
Each regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides.
Each regular polygon has means line of symmetry and order of rotational symmetry both are same. ठीक है, ये कह रही है. Next.
Mirror reflection leads to symmetry under which the left-right orientation have to be taken care of.
Mirror reflection leads to symmetry. Mirror reflection means mirror image. अच्छा, जो लाइन होती है ना सिमेट्री की, उसको एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री भी बोलते हैं, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री भी बोलते हैं, और यू कैन से मिरर इमेज, मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन which has left right orientation have to be taken care of. क्योंकि लेफ्ट पे वो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा whether you are getting the same figure or not. We are talking about that concept. Start next.
Rotation turns an object about a fixed point. The fixed point is the center of rotation. The angle by which the object rotates is the angle of rotation. A half turn means rotation by 180 degree. A quarter turn means rotation by 90 degree. Rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Okay, rotation कुछ भी हो सकती है. बच्चे एक मिनट जरा देखो, ये जो हमने 14.3 का सेकंड क्वेश्चन किया है ना, मैंने चेक किया था कि इसके ना जो हमने थर्ड वाला किया है ना, quadrilateral which has a rotational symmetry with a rotational symmetry of order more than one but not a line of symmetry, तो इन्होंने इसमें पैरेललोग्राम दिया हुआ है. आप पैरेललोग्राम के ड्रॉ करके देखना, मैं ये कल दोबारा से एक बार डिस्कस कर लूंगी, ये दोनों पार्ट्स थर्ड और फोर्थ. ठीक है, तो हमने एक का आंसर रोम्बस लिखा हुआ है, काइट भी हो सकता है. चलो मैं देखती हूँ एक बार, मैं थोड़ा ड्रॉ करके देखती हूँ, मैं आपसे फिर डिस्कस करूंगी एक बार. चलो नेक्स्ट करो अर्षा.
Yes, ma'am. If after a rotation an object looks exactly the same, we say that it has rotational symmetry.
If after a rotation an object looks exactly the same, we can say that it has rotational symmetry. This is the definition of rotational symmetry. Means rotational symmetry is a rotation in which the object looks exactly same as the original. Okay, start next, beta.
In a complete turn of 360 degree, the number of times an object looks exactly the same is called the order of rotational symmetry. The order of symmetry of a square, for example, is 4, while for an equilateral triangle, it is 3.
The table is already formed in the third point. और वो कह रहा है इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में जो ऑर्डर है वो 3 है, स्क्वायर में 4 है. It depends upon the number of sides. In case of regular pentagon, it is having 5 sides, so order is 5. In case of regular hexagon, sides are 6, so it will be shifted to 6. That's what they are talking about. Okay, beta, next.
Some shapes have only one line of symmetry, like the letter E. Some have only rotational symmetry, like the letter S, and some have both symmetries, like the letter H. The study of symmetry is important because of its frequent use in day-to-day life, and more because of the beautiful designs it can provide us.
These type of this rotational symmetry or symmetric pattern we can use in our life that make our life beautiful. Beautiful patterns they will give us. रंगोली जैसे आप बनाते हो, ठीक है, आपकी विंडोज में जो होता है वो सिमेट्रिकल डिजाइन होते हैं. अगर वो सिमेट्रिकल नहीं होंगे तो इट विल लुक ऑड. ठीक है, तो ये जो चीजें हैं दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन आवर डेली लाइफ. Okay, start completing the table given on page number 275. ठीक है, Z दिया हुआ है सबसे पहले. Z में Z has no line of symmetry and number of lines of symmetry is 0. Rotational symmetry है, yes. कैसे आप ड्रॉ करके देख सकते हो. ये Z बनाया आपने इसको रोटेट किया, it will look like this. अब फिर रोटेट करोगे, it will look like this. Then it will again look like N. Then it will again look like this. So out of these 4 rotation, it is having 2 same figure as the original one. So its order is 2 and angle is 180. ठीक है, like we are talking about S. S की बात करते हैं. S don't have line of symmetry. एक मिनट रुकना जरा. S एक मिनट. S में लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होती, बट ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री यू कैन चेक. ऐसे हो जाएगा, तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर आप इसको इक्वल बनाते हो तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. सेम हो जाएगा, फिर ऐसे हो जाएगा, फिर ऐसे. तो आउट ऑफ द 4 you are having 2 same figure, so its order is 2 and angle is again 180. ठीक है, start next. H करो complete. Draw the figure, hurry up. So today your homework is you will draw all the 26 alphabets and you will write the order of rotational symmetry in the rough notebook, and we will discuss it tomorrow.